So, what's going on, everybody? We are back with the third podcast of Conscientia. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. I'm your host, Mr. Nero, and like another human, I'm a curious being. I wonder and seek a solution. So, let's get into it. You might have heard about the line said by Earl Nightingale: We become what we think most of the time. But how? In this episode, we will get to know about the RAS, that is Reticular Activating System. It acts as a filter against all the info that surround us: sounds, colors, images, pictures, as there will be 2 million bits of knowledge at any time and your brain can only process most at a time. So your RAS filter only lets things through that it thinks is vital. It's a little part of our anatomy and size like our thumbs, but play an enormous part in our lives. It is located within the base of our brain. Its role is to be a gatekeeper of unnecessary information or to separate out the four most important information to induce to our brain for processing. There are about 2 million bits of data around us in any given moment. Sensory informations like smells, sounds, pictures, our conscious mind isn't able or capable to process all that information at the same time. So RAS is what doing is filtering out the four most important information and pass it through. All the other information are kept out from the conscious mind. Let's say that you simply are at a crowded party with lots of noises, music, chattering, etc. etc. Then, in all that loud and noisy environment, someone mentioned your name or maybe something that resembles as your name. Your RAS is picking this immediately up and know that you are interested about your name, filters that information, so you are immediately aware and focused on that source. It's not strange that people who are saying that they are always late, they are always late. It's also not strange that people who are saying that they cannot lose weight, actually, they cannot lose weight at all. So, RAS is filtering out all unnecessary information and passing through only information that is important to us for things that we are focused. So, take care what you are specialized in, because your RAS will show you things to prove that this is true for you. The more proof you see, the stronger your belief that is true. The stronger your belief is, the more you are likely to tell yourself it. So around and around it goes. So set your RAS to look for the positives